Hi, my name is James with Prodigy Clean, and today I'm going to show you how to clean a garbage disposal using Glisten Disposer Care. If you want to buy this product, it's pretty inexpensive. I put a link to it on my website in the information panel of this video. First, run your water hot for 1 minute. Then slow down the water to a trickle. Place the disposer packet into the disposer, turn it on, as you see it starts to foam up right away. It'll foam up on both sides typically if you have a dual sink. Keep running the disposer until all of the blue foam disappears. That's when you know it's done. See the foam disappearing on the right side. It's getting close to being finished. Do this once every 1 to 2 months to keep your disposal in good working order and odor free. That's it. Now just rinse out your sink. And you're good to go.